So the Special Products division has some unique capability in it. We can develop blanks on the laser cutting machine behind me. We can validate those blanks in the inspection area on non-contacting CNC inspection machine over here. We can then take those blanks and form them into a 3D part. Uniquely, not just using tooling, but using a CNC bending machine with standard tooling on there. Once all that is complete, we can then process the full prototype order, whether that be a one-off requirement or up to a few thousand parts, for customers to then test, try out, and approve. And if that goes well, maybe do another cycle of development through the same route, or move it straight forward into medium and high volume production with investment in a full production tool. So what benefits for customers does the Special Products division bring? The first is early engagement with highly qualified, experienced pressing engineers. We've got over 100 years of experience, all at your fingertips from the very earliest stages of production development. The second one is pace of development. We can do multiple cycles of development through both blanking stages and forming stages to get to that final solution. Third one is cost. Because we're being efficient in the way we're developing product, the costs are typically very low. And the final one, when you do get to a product that you've had proven and tested, we can then hold your hand into production and develop the production tooling at the same facility here at Brandauer.